Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well and eating good. Today I have for you this delicious creamy cashew pasta recipe. It's vegan and it comes with a delicious mushroom crumble on top. So yeah, let's get right in. First thing you're gonna need are some red onions. All of this cost me under £5, guys. I'm gonna find a receipt and put it in somewhere if I can. I also got some mushrooms. This was all from Aldi. I got some pasta. This is the seashell shape spongy glee. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Sun-dried tomatoes in oil, it's just the antipasti ones, and as well as this mushroom stuffing mix that I'm going to make into a crumble for our pasta. And then also you're going to need prozzies, cashews. These are 87 pence on their website, so it is still under £5 for this dish. Okay, first thing you want to do is get the water on to boil and cook your pasta. This is actually the longest thing to cook, so I'd suggest putting that on first and just stirring it every now and again and follow your package instructions. And then we're going to get onto the crumble mix. So for the stuffing mix, I'm just going to put some butter and hot water into a bowl, and the hot water will melt the butter, and this is just to moisten the stuffing mix. Pour some stuffing mix into a plate. You won't need much because it's just to crumble on top. Okay, so do as much as you need. And then I spoon over some of the butter and water mixture. And I'm just going to mix it together until it's moist and looks something like this. And then after that, I transfer it to a silicone mat, baking tray, whatever you have. And then I'm going to spread it out just so that, you know, it has enough surface area and everything can crispen up nicely in the oven. Yes, please preheat your oven to 200 and bake for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it should look something a bit like this. It'll be golden brown, it should sound nice and crunchy, and the flavor should be there. And yeah, just set aside. So in a pan, you want to add in some olive oil, okay, and you're going to add in your diced red onion. I didn't show you guys me doing this, but it is worth prepping. And then you're just going to stir that on medium-high heat until it's translucent. Once it's cooked, you want to set half aside and then throw in your sliced mushrooms. Sorry, I kind of rushed this part when I was filming it because I was cut for time. So just cook your mushrooms down on medium heat, add a pinch of salt, just to let some of the moisture come out. And you can turn the heat down low here because we're going to make the sauce while all of this is cooking. This is like the best recipe because you do it all in one go, okay? So while that's cooking on low heat, I'm going to add sun-dried tomatoes to the cooked onions that I put into my processor. You could just use a blender, and then I'm going to add in the cashews that I just soaked with some hot water. I do recommend doing this because it helps you blend the nuts, but you don't have to. And then I just pulse it until I'm happy with the consistency. Don't be afraid to, add some water if you need to, because the cashews tend to make the sauce quite thick, like thicker than you think. So just add some water, don't be afraid, taste it for seasoning, and that is your sauce, guys. It was so good. I was really shocked. Not because I was like expecting it not to be good, but because I was just like, wow, really good. Anyway, keep mixing, and then you just want to add that sauce to your pan of mushrooms and the onions you left behind. So just stir that and just let it thicken up. It shouldn't take long at all, just a couple seconds. Once that's done, I did want to add some chili flakes for some heat. This is optional, of course. It's up to you. Go wild with your seasonings, guys. I've kept this down to salt, but it's up to you. And then I'm going to add in my cooked pasta that I drained, and I'm just going to add that directly into the sauce. You could do this as a pasta sauce thing, but I thought it would be nice to just make everything creamy and into one, and then that way I can just sprinkle on the crumble mixture, and it's great. I did feel like this needed a bit of greenery, so yeah, this isn't added in the ingredients, it's optional, but I did add some spinach, and that was pretty much it, guys. I just stirred until everything was, mixed together, and boom, bada boom, there you have it. Creamy cashew pasta. Sprinkle on the crumble we set aside, and it is amazing. You can keep the crumble in an airtight container, and the pasta stays for a couple days, so take it to work the next day. It's vegan, it's amazing. amazing. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you like this video. If you'd like to see more like this, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.